In this video, you will learn how to submit domains to our premium domain marketplace. Start by navigating to your account. View your profile. Get started by scrolling down on the menu on the left side of the page. Click Marketplace and Owned Domains. Here, you will see several options for submitting domains. Select Submit a domain you own to submit a domain that you have registered and paid for through a registrar. Click Submit a past contest entry to submit a non-winning domain that you entered in a contest. Click Submit an unregistered domain to submit a domain that has not been registered by you or anyone else. If you are submitting an unregistered domain, Squadhelp can register it on your behalf and pay the registration fees. A pop-up with fields to fill out will appear. Fill each field out, then click Submit to finalize your submission. Our team will review your submission. If it is a good fit for the marketplace, you will receive an approval email along with the commission rule for that name. You will have an opportunity to approve or reject that commission rule. Please note that Squadhelp is a curated marketplace. We approve less than 10% of names.